there's a hole in the fence, and when you're gonna sneak through, you gotta watch out for the barbed wire you're stuck around your shoe. Yeah, come check out any spot at the Eastern Dock, like a street to ride around the hub. They say the night is never wasted where you're gonna get drunk. They say the night comes early, but the evening is still young. On this mountain ascent, you see the whole wild beach. You see the lights of every town and the ships rolling in. The lights of every town and the ships rolling in. Won't you go and hang around? It's what they say. We're chilling on the Eastern Bay. And won't you come and spread the word? It's what they say. We're chilling on the Eastern Bay. Of the bay, you see the dock coming up and the boat sail away. You better watch out for the cops because they come every day. Not in 30 hours and they never circulate. Are they shining on you? Are they shining on me? Yeah, there's a flashlight shining on the street. They showing off, but we don't care. You pass me the drink, you come and chill up here. You pass me the drink, you come and chill up here. Won't you go and hang around? What they say, we're chilling on the Eastern Bay. And won't you come and spread the word? It's what they say, we're chilling on the